lovely to me, yes you are. We've traveled together, we've traveled so far. Your tongue it is wise, and there's love in your eyes, deep and blue. You're lovely to me, yes you are. And Venus ascending is surely your star. I've seen how you shine, but I can't make you mine. It is true. You're a midsummer mountain in blue. Heather and linden are the fruit of your womb. There's honey inside in the couch of your lap, Lady Day. There's nothing that you will not provide. In all this despair, you are there at my side. It is you, it is you, it is you that gives ear when I pray. You're lovely to me, yes you are. You're the beautiful one that time cannot mar. You're lost in the eyes of my love as she cries all for joy. You're lovely to me, yes you are. You're the elusive chord on my old guitar. You leave the veils that I love making fails to destroy. That's all I desire in your voice. I fear I am bold, that you leave me no choice. You know that to ask me to turn from my task would be vain. You're a rose that full no man will yield. You have many names and all of them sealed. Your empire is vast, from the first to the last you remain. You're lovely to me, yes you are. It's war all the time, but you bear no scar. You glitter like sand as it runs through my hand to the sea. Lovely to me, yes you are. You're my drunken companion, it's right that you are. Your love takes me higher, your love is the fire in me.